Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th March 2024. The rupees 3.76 lakh crore Tata Motors, which harnessed increasing demand for electric cars to reclaim automotive market capitalization leadership in India, has urged New Delhi to extend incentives on electric taxis for another 3 years and also include personal cars in the government's flagship demand support program, FAME, citing global EV leader China's example. While citing EV subsidies in other countries like China and Germany, Shailesh Chandra, Managing Director Tata Passenger Electric Mobility and Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles, urged the centre to help replicate on enabling environment similar to that in Beijing that has pledged to support adoption of EVs until unit sales touch at least a fifth of all new cars sold. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs is planning to prepare a list of products that end up in litigation due to classification issues. The Fitment Committee will investigate items with minor changes in composition but different tax slabs, creating confusion in tax liability, particularly in the fast-moving consumer goods sector. Ahead of the general elections 2024, the Centre has notified the rules for implementing the Citizenship Act 2019. The Act grants Indian nationality to persecuted non-Muslim migrants from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan who arrived in India up until December 31, 2014. The leading opposition parties argued that the CAA is discriminatory as it targets Muslims. The Dwarka Expressway, inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is expected to boost real estate prices in Gurgaon, with developers such as Sobha, Raheja, Signature Global, M3M, Godrej and Hero Realty launching projects along the corridor. The completion of the expressway has led to a downturn in unsold inventory levels, with property and land prices expected to appreciate in the coming years. The Supreme Court on Monday came down heavily on State Bank of India for requesting more time to furnish details regarding electoral bonds and told the lender to disclose the information to the Election Commission of India by March 12th. With this, the plea by SBI seeking an extension till June 30, 2024 to give the details of electoral bonds for the period from April 12, 2019 to February 15, 2024 has been dismissed. The ECI is supposed to publish the details on its website by 5 p.m. on March 15th. The court asked the bank how much work had been done till now to comply with its February 15th judgment.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.